Happy Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tacoma SRT5 coming at you with an oil flush today. Forgive me, I got started. It's just a regular oil change, but I decided to do a flush in the process, and here's the way I go about it. I've got the car in the air because I was replacing the lower control arms, so that was its own deal, but I was also ready for an oil change, so I figured I'd capitalize on the car being up high. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to jack up your car, you're going to set it on jack stands, and let's see here. Right there is your oil plug. That's a 14 millimeter. You're going to take it out. Yes, I have an exhaust leak. Take it out, let the oil drain, and your oil filter is there. That's your oil filter. You're going to take that out. You're going to replace it with a new one. And here what I've done is used a quart of Marble Mystery Oil and a few random quarts of oil that I had lying around. One's 1040, one's 530. The type of oil doesn't matter. What matters is that you have clean oil. Oil is better than no oil, and we're going to be draining it in about 20 minutes anyway. So I've got 3 quarts of oil. I've got 1 quart of Marble Mystery Oil. This fresh oil is going to pick up all the contaminants that the old oil left behind. The Marble Mystery Oil is going to also clean anything that hasn't been drained, so it's going to hopefully pick up all this stuff. Any dirt is going to end up in the filter down there, and when I drain this, I'll show you in the next video what it ends up looking like. But we're in the air. 3 quarts oil, 1 quart Marble Mystery Oil. This takes like 3.9 quarts or something like that, but being that I'm only running it for 20 minutes, I just put in 4. You know, you do what you want. I recommend following your manufacturer's specifications. Work on your car at your own consent. But yeah, this is part 1 of the oil flush, and I will turn on the camera when I pull the oil plug. I'm not going to make you stand here for 20 minutes watching this thing run. So I'll cut the camera now, and I'll turn it on when I pull the oil, and I'll show you how dirty that oil is. I do oil flushes once a year, so for all you people that think 10 and 15,000 mile oil changes are okay, I'm here to prove you wrong. Have a good one. Check back on the next video.